To any business, having the ability to use an AI avatar is revolutionary. You can make use of Elai's talking avatar creator with no effort at all. Watch this video to find out how to create a talking avatar and build your brand strong by adding them to your website. Talking avatars are digital representations of real-world people made using artificial intelligence technology. Video games, virtual worlds, and chatbots all make use of them. AI avatars may be beneficial in many industries, whether you want to produce instructive video material, create a product walkthrough, or personalize your marketing videos. The rising popularity of talking avatars is due to the fact that they allow users to connect with digital information and other users in a more realistic and dynamic way. AI avatars may assist organizations by improving customer service, lowering support costs, and boosting revenue. The primary reason you should create a talking avatar for your website is to increase viewer engagement. Using a talking avatar maker, you may get closer to your target audience and better understand their wants and requirements. Using cutting-edge technology to produce video content separates one company from another. Much better is having a virtual talking avatar to support it. Sign up now and create a talking avatar to use in your video content immediately.